Keeping your child's Android device safe doesn't have to be difficult. The Google Play Store includes a built-in parental controls feature that lets you restrict apps, games, movies, TV shows, and books based on age ratings. It only takes a few minutes to set up and can help prevent children from downloading inappropriate content. Begin by opening the Google Play Store on your child's Android phone or tablet. Once the app launches, tap your profile picture in the upper right corner. A menu will appear where you need to select settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you find the family section. Tap Parental Controls to open the feature. If it's your first time using it, the controls will be turned off by default. Simply tap the toggle switch to enable them. The next step is to create a 4-digit security PIN. This PIN protects your settings, so make sure it's something only you know. Avoid using easy-to-guess numbers such as birthdays or repeating digits. You'll be asked to enter the PIN twice to verify it. Once the PIN is created, you can decide what type of content your child is allowed to access. Select categories like apps and games, movies, TV, or books. For each category, choose the maximum age rating that matches your child's age. After making your selections, tap Save to apply the restrictions. Remember that these controls only apply to content available through the Google Play Store. They won't block websites, YouTube videos, or content inside other apps. If you need more advanced features such as screen time management, app approvals, location tracking, or remote device supervision, you can also use Google Family Link alongside Play Store Parental Controls. It's a good idea to review these settings occasionally as your child gets older. You can always update the allowed age ratings by entering your PIN. We hope this tutorial helped. Subscribe for more simple Android and Google tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.